The next thing on our list here is a discussion on setting your camera. What does this mean? So the camera by default is set to the center of your scribe. Now, all images may not necessarily be located on the center of your scribe. So for example, if you wanted to showcase all 4 of these faces along with the heading of this particular slide, setting your camera position, you'll want to lock all of these images in place. And what does that mean? What we'll do is to lock all of these images in place, we'll select all of the items that we want to be seen by the camera at one time, and use this button right over here, set camera to current canvas position, and lock these items right here into place. That'll then allow us to view all of these faces in one scene, and we will play how that looks like here. So this way we get to see all 4 faces on one slide. Now, what you'll see is what happens when the faces are not locked, when the camera is not locked. Okay. So again, if you prefer to have all 4 faces viewed by the camera, you'll want to lock all 4 of those faces along with the heading of your scene by the camera. Otherwise, as you've seen just now, the camera will position to the center of the VideoScribe and display only one image at a time.